Welcome back to MS Easy IELTS 8.8. Today we are exploring the world of cinema. To start with, what are the primary differences between watching movies at home and in a cinema?
It really comes down to the immersion versus convenience. A cinema offers a multi-sensory experience with a massive screen and high-fidelity surround sound that a home setup simply can't replicate. However, watching at home provides a level of flexibility and comfort, allowing you to pause the film or enjoy your own snacks without the prohibitively expensive prices of theater concessions.
That makes sense. But why are there fewer people going to the cinema nowadays?
I believe the proliferation of streaming services is the main culprit. Platforms like Netflix and Disney Plus have made high-quality content so accessible and affordable that many feel a trip to the cinema is no longer a necessity. Additionally, since the pandemic, people have become accustomed to the privacy of their own living rooms, avoiding the distractions of a crowded theater.
Interesting. So, in this competitive market, what exactly makes a movie a blockbuster?
A blockbuster is usually a combination of a star-studded cast, a massive marketing budget, and cutting-edge visual effects. It's designed to have a broad, global appeal. However, a true blockbuster also needs a compelling narrative that resonates with the audience, creating enough word-of-mouth buzz to dominate the box office for weeks.
Why do people of different ages prefer different types of movies? And are the actors really that important?
Well, tastes evolve with life experience. Younger audiences often crave adrenaline-fueled action or fantasy, while older generations might gravitate toward thought-provoking dramas or historical biopics. As for actors, they are pivotal. A charismatic lead can be a major draw for a film. Often people will go to see a movie simply because their favorite actor is headlining it, regardless of the plot.
Finally, where do people in your country usually watch movies now? Do they still enjoy the cinema?
While on-demand streaming on smartphones and tablets is the most common way to consume media now, the cinema still holds a special place. It's viewed as a social event, a way to spend quality time with friends or family. So while casual viewing has moved to smaller screens, the cinema remains the go-to destination for cinematic spectacles.
A brilliant analysis. Your use of prohibitively expensive and cinematic spectacles is perfect for a Band 9.0.
Thank you. For more advanced IELTS tips, make sure to follow MS Easy IELTS 8.8.